Webster, it's time.
Perfect. Listen very carefully. If my order is incorrect, I'll send it back. Now get out a pen and some paper. For my beverage, I'd like half a pint of Diet Coca-Cola with a half a cup of dark brown sugar. Oh, and put a straw in it. For starters, a whole orange bell pepper. And for my main course, I'll have 3 southern-fried pheasant wings, drenched in your finest salad cream, and make them medium rare. On the side, thick pizza crusts would be most delightful, and a side of salad cream. Finally, a sprinkle of pre-shredded cheddar cheese on the top of 2 uncooked penne pasta. For dessert, I'll have 2 chocolate cookies sliced into quarters and a glass of full-fat, cold milk right from the cow's teat. Actually, on second thoughts, make it tepid. Delightful. Now before we proceed, I require some paper and a pencil so I can make my final thoughts known. Dear Samantha's grandmother, Eunice, you really were a minuscule woman. So kind, so gentle, warm-blooded. Little did you know, Sam had to be removed from the picture. I apologise for not weighing down the body enough. We really, truly made a great partnership. Yours sincerely, Webster.
Frank Webster, you have been convicted for 7 counts of unlawful child murder. I sentence you to death.